Hi, in this video I'm going to show that the profiler displays an incorrect size for a Texture2DArray object. So in the provided test project, you can find under assets the my Texture2DArray. And this one is added to the sample scene. And if we now just build a player and then connect the profiler to the player. So let's wait for the player to start. Here it is. And then open window analysis profiler. From the profiler toolbar, connect to the player. That would be this one in my case. And now make sure the memory module is enabled, and then select the memory module, then switch from simple to detailed and click take sample. And this takes a second. Now we have the results here. So go to assets, expand assets, and then if we scroll down, you can see Texture2DArray, and here we have my Texture2DArray. That is the one I have in the project, and it's listed with a size of 0 bytes. That is, of course, not correct because we do have the texture there. And that's it, basically, for the error description. So the problem is related to the read-write enabled option. If we enable read-write enabled, hit apply, and then again build a player, we can see, if we now take another sample, we can see that the size is, I don't know if it's the correct size, but at least there is a size greater than 0 bytes now. So the problem in the profiler is somehow related to this read-write enable flag. When it's turned off, when the texture is no longer readable from the CPU side, the size is displayed with 0 bytes. And that's it for the bug report. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.